Hello there, this is me Shushmita Karna and I'm a men right activist, also you can say a meninist. Now the reason why I am preparing this video is to discuss and to highlight some extreme misandrist post which extensively promotes misandry for no reason. I don't understand why do they hate men like this, and please share this video as much as possible because I want people to open their eyes and see what kind of misandry is happening in the name of feminism. I mean, I welcome women empowerment. Women empowerment is necessary. I roam late nights on a street and I'm safe. I'm not a misandrist. I mean that I know self defense, I can defend myself, and I am bold enough. Now, I don't blame the whole gender just because of few rapists. I once said that every girl should learn self defense. Then a group of feminists came to me and said, to live a normal life, do you have to learn self defense? I mean, what harm will it make if you learn something new? And forget men. Like, if someone comes to rob you, then what will you do at that condition? And at that condition, you will only scream for a man's help. I have seen. And at that condition, men only come to help you when you are getting robbed by someone. And you say that you don't need men. Wow. Now, coming on to the political issue, they said that the rapist should not get bail and the murderer should not get bail. I understand. But then there should be a fair enough investigation before, um, imprisoning him or before hanging him. Because a man's life is not a joke. And my dear, no boy is there to molest you in public transport or anywhere. Boys have better work to do rather than molesting you. First of all, the thing you want is you want seat reserved for women in public transports. And then that is obvious that the men have to stand up for no reason. Just because they are men, they have to stand up. And let me explain you the inhumanity on the name of seat reservation and feminism on the name of feminism. There was an old man who was not able to stand up and he asked the girl to leave the seat just because he was not able to stand up. And she said that this seat is reserved for women, and that girl was merely 20 years old. She was fit and fine. And why on earth do you think that men only have to see your body and men only judge you on your dressing sense? I mean, that makes no sense. Mm. You have got more freedom than men about dressing. I mean, you can be in full pants, man cannot wear skirts. You can. For you, skirts above your knees is formal, but for men, half pants for, is not formal. Now, this makes me laugh when you say that men don't let you to go to the beach for trekking and camping. I mean, why, like, what kind of brain do you have? Why will they stop you? Because you are hydrophobic, uh, don't blame men. Because you have altitude fear, don't blame men. It's not his fault that you have fear from height and fear from water. So stop blaming men for your fear. If consuming alcohol is freedom for you, If consuming alcohol is a feminism for you, you are free to. You are free to do anything you want with your life. But please don't end his life for no good reason. Out of these all, I did not find any good reason why men should extinct for you. Stop being so misandrist. Do whatsoever you like. But we need men.